Let's go see my new house. Welcome home. Oh my God. This is ridiculously bad. Living area. Mirror bar. Hi. My formal dining room table. What's over here? Oh, and my sleigh bed. What is this? What is this style? Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, I can't even. This is hilarious. What's in here? Lisa, come look at this bathroom. Oh my God, there's a TV in the bathroom and a remote. A remote. Oh my God, I'm way excited about that. Damn, there's a shower. And wait, what's this? Oh, it's a light. That's a big shower, actually. What? What's this? Oh, and a toilet room. Wait, is this just the bathroom?
Is this throne room?
Oh, the throne. Wait. Oh, look, pocket door. Bye. Oh, wait. Oh my God, it's dark. Oh my God, it's dark. It's too dark. Okay. And there's a telephone. I'm still calling Lisa on that phone later. Oh. This is hilarious.
You also have complimentary ashtray.
Oh my God, an ashtray and matches. They've thought of it
in
all.
both the kitchen and the bathroom.
Wow.
All of the important places.
I feel like this is like my medieval dream.